Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today I want to talk to you about Ryobi Days. You know, I've done the Ryobi Days video before, and it is an excellent method of obtaining Ryobi tools at the Home Depot. Now this sale takes place every year in the spring, early summer. It's kind of opposite of Black Friday, and it's kind of the same type of sale. I have its web page up here on the computer, and in a nutshell, what this sale does is offer two different battery pack options. Here's option number one. It is a $99 offering, and if we go look at it, what you're going to get for that offering is two batteries, a 4 amp hour lithium battery and a 2 amp hour lithium battery, and a charger. And with that $99 purchase, you're going to be able to purchase for free, so get any of these tools down below here, the sander, the jigsaw, on and on here, the multi-tool. Go to the next row. We have some gardening tools here. Basically, most of what I would call their $69, $79 tools. These are all now available technically for free when you purchase the two batteries for $99. You see, you know, this would be $270. You're getting it for $90. They're saying that's $170 light. I don't buy that, but you know what I mean. You're going to pay $99 for all of these options. The other method is the $199 option, which is listed here. And if we go look at that, what you're going to get in this one is 3 batteries, 2 of the 4 amp hour lithium high performance batteries, and 1 2 amp hour lithium high performance, and the charger. So 3 batteries, $199, and you get to pick from a list of tools that are higher priced tools. These tools generally cost over $100. You got the 6.5 inch circular saw. I own this saw. I like it. You can get any of the tools you see here on this list. I believe 2 years ago I did this deal and I got this brushless jigsaw. I still own it. It works great. I actually am very happy with that purchase. You're capable of getting any of these tools on this list. Now, if we go back to the top, you'll see that there are other things on the big signs in the store. If we scroll across left and right here, the big deal with the sale is the 2 battery bundles and the free tool. But there will be some other tools listed here on sale. But be aware that some of these things listed in here, like I'm interested in this thing here. Let's click on it. This is what they call the mobile workstation. As you guys know, I am moving now. I don't know if you can tell behind me, I'm in a hotel. So this is an easy video for me to do from the hotel because honestly, I don't have a shop right now. I'll be moving back into my new home middle of July. And then we'll have some setup shop videos. But as part of moving, I'm interested in this cart / table. But noticing it's $199, that is not a sale price. Some of the options here are not sale prices, some are. Obviously this 2-piece brushless drill driver kit is 20 bucks off, so that is a sale. Other things here are not. You just kind of have to look at what's going on. Here we have some of the bits and drivers and such. These all are on sale, generally for a few dollars off. And you know, the Ryobi bits are usable. They're not the greatest, but they're not the worst out there either. I would say, you know, for 10 bucks, this isn't a bad little kit to pick up here. And just don't expect them to last forever. None of these bits and tips last forever, so use them, and then when you need more, get more. So back to the top of the page, as you can see, guys, it's Ryobi Days. It's going on now. It's pretty much geared to run through the end of June into early July. It peaks around Father's Day, which is this weekend. So I would say if you need batteries, this is a great time to pick up your batteries. The best part of this sale is you get to add batteries to your kit. Now, if you don't need batteries, guys, look at some of the other things for sale that are $20, $30 off. You know, there's no sense adding more batteries to your kit if you're not going to use them. And honestly, I've seen several people on YouTube give the mantra of buy the most expensive tool with this kit because you're getting the most savings. That doesn't make any sense to me, because if it's a tool you don't need, why get it? You know, if they have 3 tools on offer for the battery pack that you're choosing and you need one of them, that's the one you should get. Don't just get the most expensive one because it seems like the right thing to do. Get the tool you need. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. Get over to the Home Depot, get yourself some Ryobi batteries if you need them, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you.